There are a number of issues for us, in particular providing the source materials, the cell lines that people are then going to develop into new assays for testing. There are a number of very early stage things that the research need to consider and that we do as a bank supplying these cells. Firstly is whether there is appropriate consent from the donor of the original cells for those uses of these cells. Also to know whether the person that's produced those cell lines has got a good level of quality control in their own lab, so that they can, when they send the cells to the researcher, you can be reasonably assured that they won't be contaminated, they won't have been mixed up with another cell line. And those two areas are two particular challenges for researchers taking up cell lines from other labs. There are things called mycoplasma, which are very easily transferable between cell lines, which can then affect the properties of the cells. And also there's a long history in cancer research in particular of cell lines being mixed up and then people working with the wrong cell line and publishing as if it were the original cell type. So these are some key issues. The other things in once the cell line has been banked and quality controlled and sent out to the researchers, there's a stage of development which needs to be qualified. So we need to have not just a new publication on a new differentiation protocol, which is very important, but we then need to take that and translate it in something that can be used in the lab in a routine fashion under a quality assured environment that's needed by the pharmaceutical companies to get reliable results. And also scientifically, probably, and other people will better to talk to this than me, but there's also a key challenge at the moment. We seem to be able to get fecal cell types from these cells, human embryonic and iPS cells, but we don't seem to be able to get fully adult type of cells developed from them. So that's a bit of a hurdle at the moment. A lot of researchers are working on.